Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And here under this playlist guys, we are going to cover only advanced concepts of Power BI in detail. In the previous tutorial guys, we have studied about the difference of filter versus slicer. I hope now you guys are clear with the difference of filters and slicers. And now in today's tutorial guys, we will talk about one more advanced topic of Power BI, which name is custom sorting. So I received many queries guys regarding custom sorting. My many trainees and viewers approached me to create this video on custom sorting. So that's why I decided to create a video on custom sorting. And after watching this video guys, your all the doubts will be clear about custom sorting. And you can make any sorting in Power BI. So let's move towards the Power BI desktop screen and understand this custom sorting. So here guys, we have entered in Power BI desktop. And this is stacked column chart visual guys, which I have already taken. So firstly guys, let me add some data here under this visual. So let's suppose I want to display month-wise profit. So there is very easiest way guys to create month-wise profit. So what you need to do, you simply need to expand this sales table. So here is the column guys, which name is order date. And now guys, what I will do, let me select this column and drag and drop here under this x-axis. And now let me scroll it down, and under y-axis guys, I will take this profit column from here. So let me select this column and drag and drop it here. So here we guys can clearly see it is reflecting only 2022 year data, because I have taken all the levels here under this date hierarchy. But I want to see only month wise profit. So what I will do guys, let me remove this year from here, quarter and day. So in this way guys, I can display month wise profit. So here we guys can clearly see this visual is not returning any incorrect sorting. January comes at first, then Feb, March and so on. So the question is that guys, when this problem arises. And now guys, this time let's change the requirement. So I want to see the month wise profit, but month should be written as in the short form, like January as Jan, February as Feb, March as MAR. So I want to display month wise data but in the short form. So to display such kind of requirement guys, what I need to do, I need to create a calculated column where I can display the short name of the month like Jan, Feb, Mar and so on. So let's go to this table view guys, and now let's create a calculated column with the help of format function. So I will simply take new column from here, and let's say my column name would be month underscore names. And here I will simply use my format function here. And now guys, let's look at the first parameter, which is value. So under value 1 parameter guys, I will take that column name from where I want to fetch the month. So I want to fetch the month from order date column. So I will simply take order date, comma, and the next parameter is format. So what I will do guys, I will simply begin this inverted commas and write 3 times M and inverted comma close, and close this bracket and hit enter. So here we have got the desired result, which is January return Jan, March return MAR, February return Feb. And now guys, what we can do, we can use that field here under this stacked column chart. So let's go back to this report view and remove this order date field from here. And I will take that field which we have just created, which name is month underscore name. So let me select this and drag and drop it here. And here we can see the data as per the short month name like Jan, Mar, May, April and so on. But here the problem is that guys, it is not getting us the data as we want to see. Like Jan comes at first position, Feb comes at second position, March comes at third and so on. And the reason of sorting this incorrect data guys, the column which we have created, this is a text data type. So if you try to sort this data, so that will be sort as per the ascending or descending order. Like A comes at first, B comes at second, C comes at third and so on. And if you try descending order guys, so it will display Z to A. So normal sorting guys will not gonna work here to correct this visual, because we want to change the position of these values. If you guys try this ascending or descending order from these 3 dots, so see guys what happened. Now let me click sort axis, sort ascending. So see guys, the data is sorted, but here November comes at first, then September, July and so on. In a similar way guys, if you try to sort this into the descending order, so you will not get your desired result. See guys, after January, again we can see the March. Although I want to see Feb comes at second, March comes at third, April comes at 4 and so on. So if you guys are facing such kind of issue, so in that case, custom sorting is really useful. With the help of custom sorting guys, you can sort the data as per your requirement. So let's create this requirement and see how we can achieve our desired result. So what I will do guys, let me simply go ahead under this table view. And now here I will create one more calculated column with using DAX function month. So I will simply go ahead under this new column. And now I will rename this column name as month underscore sorting. And simply I will use my month function here. And under month function guys, we have just only one parameter which is date. So I will simply take this order date column here under this date parameter. And now let me close this bracket and hit enter. So here we guys can see this month function only fetch the month numbers, which is January written as 1, February written as 2, March written as 3 and so on. You guys can clearly see it here. And now guys, what you need to do, you simply go here under this report view and select this stacked column chart. And after selection this chart guys, what you need to do, you need to select this column name which is month underscore names, which we have previously created with the help of format function. And now guys, we need to use this sort by column feature. So now let me select this option. So here we guys can see all the columns name which we have here under this sales underscore fact table. And finally guys, I will select my column name which we have just created with the help of month function. So our column name is month underscore sorting. So now let me select this column. So after selection guys, you can clearly see there is no impact here under this visual. So what you need to do guys, you can simply remove this field from here. And now guys, again I will take the same field which is month underscore names and drag and drop here under this x-axis. And now we guys can see the moment I drop this column here under this x-axis after using the sort by column feature, so our sorting issue has resolved. Now Jan comes at first, Feb comes at 2, March comes at 3, April comes at 4 and so on. So if you guys facing any challenge to sorting month order, so with the help of custom sorting, you guys can make the sorting accordingly. And now guys, let's take one more example so that you guys can get more clarity about this custom sorting. So this time guys, what I will do, I will simply display region wise profit. So now let me remove x-axis from here, and here guys I will simply take the regions. So here we can see the region wise data, like west comes at first, south comes at second, north comes at third and east comes at fourth. So now guys, I want east comes at first position, west comes at second position, north comes at third position and south comes at fourth position. So if you guys want to change the sorting order of this graph, so what you need to do guys, firstly you need to create the number column, and after that guys, you need to assign that number with particular region, like east comes at first, west comes at 2, north comes at 3 and south comes at 4. So in this way guys, we need to create a specific column. So what we can do guys, for creating such kind of column like month sorting, we need to transform our data first. So let's go back to this report view and click here on this transform data. And here under this Power Query Editor guys, I will use conditional column. So let me simply click here on this add column and select this option conditional column. And here I will quickly create my requirement. So the first parameter is new column name. So what I will do guys, let me change the column name from here. Let's say regions underscore sorting. And from here guys, you need to select the column. So my column name is regions, and here operator I will take equals, and my first value is let's say east, and output I want 1. In a similar way guys, you need to add more and more clauses. So I will simply click add clause. Again I will select my column name which is regions. My next value is west, and west I want to return as 2. In a similar way guys, I will add one more clause which is regions. My third value is north, and I want to return as 3. So if you have more values like this guys, you can add more clauses. And the last parameter of conditional column guys, else parameter. So here I can simply take 4, so that if it is not found these 3 value, so it return 4. And now let me click OK. So here we guys can see we have created a conditional column which name is regions sorting. And now let me change the data type from here, from any data type to whole number. And now let me reorder this column. So let me do right click here and move to beginning, so that we can compare region with numbers. So here we guys can see east written as 1, west written as 2, north written as 3 and south written as 4. So after creating this conditional column guys, you need to simply go to home tab and click close and apply. And click here on this apply changes. And now guys, again you need to follow the same steps if you want to make this custom sorting. So firstly you need to simply select this visual and go to this region column. Because under x-axis guys, we have taken this region column. And now guys, again we will use this sort by column feature. And this time our column name is regions sorting, which we have just created with the help of conditional column. And now let me select this column. And last but not the least guys, simply remove this field from here and again take this field here under this x-axis. So see guys, here east comes at first, west comes at 2, north comes at 3 and south comes at 4. I hope now you guys are clear with the concept of custom sorting in Power BI. So in this way guys, you can arrange any of the data as per your requirement. So for such kind of detailed learning guys, stay connected with us and kindly support this channel. And those who are new to this channel, kindly hit the like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press this bell icon guys, else you will miss an update. And those who wants to learn Power BI or SQL from scratch, so you guys can follow this free YouTube channel, which name is Analytics Pro. And if you scroll it down guys, so here you guys can see we have a full course Power BI playlist where I have explained each and every concept about Power BI in detail. And if you click here on this playlist button guys, so you guys will get to see multiple playlists are here. This is the Power BI full course playlist and these are the advanced concepts of Power BI where you guys can take the knowledge of advanced concepts of Power BI. And we have this Power BI with SQL playlist where you guys can learn all the concepts of SQL from scratch. So you guys can start your SQL journey with this free YouTube channel. And along with that guys, we have this visualization playlist and we have this DAX expression playlist where we have covered most of the DAX functions from scratch which are majorly used in your projects. And here under this playlist, I am also trying to cover all the differences of DAX functions which is majorly asked in an interviews. And very soon guys, I will add some more playlists so that you guys can take better understanding of the analytical skills. And for the job seekers guys, we have this free Telegram group where I'm keep posting latest Power BI jobs opening, as well as you will also find some latest interview question and answers which recently asked by an interviewer. So you don't need to pay anything to anyone. But those who are looking only live sessions, so we guys also conduct live training and sessions where we prepare candidates from scratch till intermediate level with some scenarios, real-time projects, assignments, notes and so on. And we also provide placement assistance with the help of WhatsApp group where you will get to see some HR emails, contact number and so on. And you guys can also follow us on Insta as well as Facebook. So all the links I will share under the description box. You guys can follow us there. So for free learners guys, you guys can follow this Analytics Pro, and for the live training and sessions, you guys can connect me any of the platform. Thank you so much guys for your more love and support. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you so much.